Imagine a future battlefield where thousands of drones move together like a living organism. No pilots, no direct human control, just artificial intelligence making split-second decisions in real time. That future may sound like science fiction, but the scary part is, it is already starting to happen. Military leaders around the world are racing to build autonomous drone systems. The United States, China, Russia, and NATO allies are all investing billions into AI warfare technology, because the next generation of wars may not be won by the country with the most soldiers, but by the country with the smartest machines. And hidden inside this massive shift is one tiny stock almost nobody is talking about yet. A small company trying to build the software brain behind drone swarms and autonomous military systems. A company that some investors believe could become a key player in the future of AI warfare. Now, before we reveal the stock, you need to understand why this industry is suddenly exploding. Because this is not just another random AI company trying to ride the hype wave. This entire sector is being pushed by real-world military demand happening right now. Over the last few years, warfare has changed dramatically. In conflicts around the world, drones are becoming one of the most important weapons on the battlefield. Cheap autonomous systems are now capable of doing missions that once required billion-dollar military hardware. We have already seen small drones used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strikes, but military experts say the real game-changer will not be individual drones. It will be drone swarms controlled by artificial intelligence. Think about how bees move together as one unit, or how a school of fish instantly changes direction without crashing into each other. That is exactly what militaries want AI drones to do in combat situations. Imagine hundreds, or even thousands of drones coordinating attacks together, sharing battlefield information instantly while adapting to changing threats in real time, and doing all of this faster than any human operator ever could. That is why defense agencies are investing heavily into autonomous systems, because AI-powered drone swarms could overwhelm traditional defenses through sheer coordination and speed, and whoever masters this technology first could gain a massive military advantage. But there is one huge problem. Building the drone hardware itself is only half the battle. The real challenge is creating the AI software capable of controlling all those systems simultaneously. That is where this tiny company enters the picture. Instead of focusing only on building physical robots or drones, this company is focused on the intelligence layer behind them, the operating system that could potentially coordinate autonomous machines in real-world environments. And here is the crazy part. The US Air Force has already shown interest in testing technology connected to this space, which is exactly why some investors started paying attention to this overlooked stock. Now, if you have been following AI stocks lately, you already know the market loves futuristic narratives. Anything involving AI, military technology, robotics, or autonomous systems instantly grabs investor attention, but most of the major defense AI companies are already worth billions of dollars. This company is still tiny by comparison, which means if its technology gains traction, the upside potential could be massive. Of course, the risks are also extremely high. Because small-cap defense stocks are known for volatility, one contract announcement can send shares exploding upward overnight. And one failed project can destroy investor confidence just as fast. But despite those risks, people are still watching this company closely, because it is operating at the intersection of multiple explosive industries at the same time: artificial intelligence, drone warfare, military robotics, and autonomous systems. And now it is finally time to reveal the stock. The company is called Palantir AI, ticker symbol PDYN. Originally known as Sarcos Robotics, the company shifted its focus toward AI-driven autonomy software. Instead of competing directly with giant defense contractors on hardware manufacturing alone, Palantir is trying to become the intelligence platform powering autonomous robotic systems. One of the company's biggest focuses is AI coordination technology, software that allows drones and robotic systems to operate together autonomously, especially in situations where communication networks may be disrupted or jammed. And that is a major deal in military environments because traditional cloud-based AI systems can become vulnerable during electronic warfare attacks. Military systems need to make decisions locally and instantly without relying on distant servers. This is where Edge AI becomes extremely important. Edge AI means the processing happens directly on the machine itself instead of somewhere else online, allowing drones to react in real time even during combat situations. Palantir has been developing technology aimed at enabling that kind of autonomous coordination, systems capable of helping drones navigate, communicate, and adapt dynamically during operations. which is why investors started connecting the company to the future of drone swarm warfare. Another reason PDYN gained attention is its connection to defense-related projects and testing initiatives. Reports involving Air Force research programs created speculation around the company's long-term military potential, and in the stock market, even early-stage military validation can generate massive hype. But investors are not just looking at hype alone, they are also watching how the company positions itself inside the broader defense AI ecosystem, because partnerships and integrations could become critical for future growth. The company has also discussed collaborations connected to autonomous drone capabilities, which strengthens the narrative that Palantir wants to become a software layer for military robotics, not just another standalone drone manufacturer competing in a crowded market. And that distinction matters a lot, because software companies often scale much faster than hardware companies, especially if their technology becomes integrated across multiple platforms. Some bullish investors believe this could eventually make Palantir an acquisition target. Larger defense companies are aggressively hunting for AI capabilities right now, and autonomous warfare technology is becoming one of the hottest areas in defense spending. But before people start calling this the next billion-dollar AI giant, we need to talk about the risks. Because this is still a highly speculative small-cap stock, and speculative stocks can be extremely dangerous. The company is not a guaranteed success story. It still faces major competition from well-funded defense and AI firms, including companies with far larger government relationships and financial resources. Names like Palantir Technologies, Anduril Industries, and Shield AI are already pushing aggressively into military AI, and traditional defense giants are also investing billions into autonomous systems, so Palantir still has a difficult road ahead. There is also the issue of execution risk. Developing advanced AI software is incredibly expensive and technically difficult, and military sales cycles can take years before meaningful revenue arrives. On top of that, small companies often rely on raising additional capital, which means shareholders can face dilution if new shares are issued in the future. That is something every investor needs to understand before jumping into speculative AI stocks. Still, despite all those risks, the opportunity itself is hard to ignore. The global military drone market is expected to grow dramatically over the next decade, and autonomous warfare technology may become one of the biggest defense trends of the future. If drone swarms truly become a core part of military strategy, the companies building the AI coordination layer could become incredibly valuable, and that is the exact narrative attracting speculative investors toward PDYN right now. Because in the stock market, future potential often drives massive price moves long before profits arrive, especially in sectors tied to AI, defense, and national security, and Palantir sits directly inside all three categories. Now, whether this company eventually succeeds or fails is still unknown. This could become an important player in military autonomy technology, or it could struggle to compete against much larger rivals. But one thing is becoming very clear. The future of warfare is changing rapidly toward autonomous systems and AI-driven coordination, and companies building those technologies are starting to attract serious investor attention. So the real question investors are asking now is simple: could Palantir AI become an early winner in the drone swarm revolution? Or is this just another overhyped AI stock that will not live up to expectations?